In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to Facebook Ads Manager in 2026, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to safely grant the right level of access without oversharing permissions. Start by opening your browser and searching for Facebook Ads Manager. Click the official result that takes you to Ads Manager, then select Go to Ads Manager. If you're not signed in yet, log in with your usual account credentials and click Login. Make sure you're using the account that actually owns or manages the ad account you want to share. If you manage multiple ad accounts, double check the account selector in the top area so you're working in the right place. Once you're in, you'll land on the campaigns dashboard. From here, head to Ad Account Settings. Depending on the layout you see, this may appear as a gear icon or a settings link. In the settings panel, scroll down until you find ad account roles. This is where you manage who has access and what they can do. Click Add People. You'll see a field to type the person's name or email address. If they're already connected to your business account, their name should appear as you type. If not, you can enter the email they use for Facebook. It's best to confirm that email with them beforehand so the invitation lands in the right inbox. Next, assign a role. Use the drop down to choose the level of access that fits their responsibilities. Typically, admin can manage everything, including permissions and billing. Advertiser can create and edit campaigns but can't change roles. An analyst can view performance without making changes. When in doubt, give the least access required for the task, and you can always upgrade later. After you've selected the role, click Confirm to send the invitation. The person will receive a notification or email prompting them to accept. Access becomes active once they accept, so let them know to check their notifications and spam folder if they don't see it right away. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see ad account settings or the add people button, you may not have admin level permission on that ad account. Ask an admin to grant you the necessary rights. Interface labels can change slightly over time, but the path remains the same. Campaigns dashboard, ad account settings, ad account roles, add people, assign role, and confirm. Finally, review access regularly and keep permissions limited to what each person needs. That's it. Simple, secure, and done in minutes.